Hey guys, Jen here, coming at you with a bonus video this week. I'm super excited to share with you my super simple overnight oats recipe. And I'm really all about super simple and easy healthy meals and recipes. I don't like being in the kitchen for a long time either, or just cooking for a long time. Like, that's not my steez. And so I'm gonna be sharing more of my tips and tricks around the kitchen and how I'm able to get my nutritious meals in on a day-to-day basis, as well as just throughout the week, because you don't have to be cooking all the time and it doesn't have to take forever. Most of my meals take less than an hour to make. So I'm gonna be sharing more of those with you. So today I'm gonna be sharing you my super simple overnight oats recipe. I'm kind of late to the overnight oats train when everybody was doing it. And I was like, I don't do what everybody else is doing. So I was like, okay, whatever. But I'm really happy that I finally tried it. I tried it before, but I've never made my own. So I'm happy that I finally decided to make my own. And I just like when I make other recipes, like I just get recipes or I view recipes for inspiration and I just make my own. So I viewed and looked at a few of them. They looked a little too complicated and I was like, let me just make this super simple and super easy. And before you knock it, it's really delicious, because when you think of oatmeal, you're typically thinking of having oatmeal on a cold winter fall day in a bowl and keeping you nice and cozy. But overnight oats, they're cold and they're in a jar. But before you knock it, try my recipe and I think you're gonna love it, because it still has the benefits of your regular oatmeal, high in fiber, help keeps you satiated, and it also helps to maintain your blood sugar level. So we want to definitely continue to eat oatmeal. It's a great option to rotate into your breakfast options. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So what you're gonna need is a mason jar, rolled oats, and then the spices that you want to use. For me, I'm using vanilla, pure vanilla, ground nutmeg, and ground cinnamon and honey. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna take, and you're not gonna be able to see it, I have to get my camera situation fixed or whatever. So you're just gonna take a half a cup of oatmeal and you're gonna place it into the jar, kind of making a mess here, right? So you're placing it into the jar like this, okay? Forgot the oat milk. Then you're gonna take oat milk, about a half a cup of oat milk as well. So you got a half a cup or a cup of oatmeal and a cup of oat milk. And you're gonna just cover it and just make sure that the oats are covered. So like that. And that what's her name says? like that. Tabitha. Okay, so you just making sure that they're covered, that's good. And guys, when I'm making recipes or when I'm in the kitchen cooking, I don't do measurements. I just do a dollop of this and a dollop of that. So I'm just gonna do a dollop. Okay, once everything is covered and mixed well, you definitely want to make sure that everything is mixed well together. You're just gonna shake that off. You're gonna put your top on. And there you go. And you just put this in the refrigerator overnight, typically for your 8 hours. And then come in the morning, you will have your finished product, which is this. Ta-da! And this is so good, y'all. You think it's not, but it's so good. And I say you can top it off with anything that you want. I top mine, so I just continue to mix it up. And then I top mine with blueberries or whatever fruit or fresh fruit or berry I have. I put a little bit more honey on there to top it off and finish it. And then let's add a few blueberries. Sorry guys, I'm gonna get this set up where you guys can see it soon. And then there you have it. That is my overnight oats. And it's so good, y'all. It really is delicious. All right. So there you go. That's my super simple overnight oats recipe. It's delicious, it's nutritious, and it literally takes 5 minutes to make, okay? So oats, nutmeg, cinnamon, honey, vanilla extract, and you're good to go. And it's such a good quick, so you can have this on the go, take it to your office, and you're good. Again, You're getting your antioxidants from the blueberries, your fiber from the oatmeal. This will keep you full into your next meal. And so helping you stabilize your blood sugar. So guys, this is a great option to your morning routine, overnight oats. Give it a try. And that's it for today's video. If you like this, or if you have another recipe or anything that you add differently to your overnight oats, let me know in the comments below. And make sure you like and subscribe. And I'll see y'all later in the week. Bye.